Okay, I installed, or should say reinstalled, the aftermarket, or not, the accessory flashers on my 65 Chevelle. The car originally had it installed from the dealership, but in all the years I've owned the car, I never reinstalled it. I always kept the switch, but I never actually put it in. So it's installed in the normal Chevelle method, where the switch is installed vertically with just the red knob showing. You can see the red knob there in the middle, unlike how I installed it on my wagon, which is more like how it was installed on the big cars, where it's installed horizontally with a chrome bezel. So this is the more typical correct install for Chevelle. So you just pull the knob down and it starts to flash, and I did put an LED bulb in the knob so that wouldn't have any worry about heat melting the knob. And it's actually a lot brighter, and you can see turn signals are flashing. Looks like the fronts are going, so the fronts are flashing, and the rears, sorry it's kind of crowded in here, are both flashing. So looks like the install went well. For a 50-some-year-old switch, works really nice. It's been displayed in the trunk of my car, it shows, for years. So now it's back in the car, working great. That's it. Thanks.